guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a 10-minute makeup tutorial. I'm going to be timing myself and I'm going to get everything done in 10 minutes. I'm not going to edit anything out, so let's get started. I'm going to be using the timer on my phone. And there. Okay, I'm going to start off with the Clinique moisturizer. So I'm putting it all over my face as fast as I can. And then I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 220. Putting this all over my face. I just spilled some. I'm going to put it over my eyes as well. I'm just blending everything out really well. Oh, my time there. Oh my gosh, that was already a minute and 10 seconds. Okay, so that looks blended out. And now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Creamy Beige. I'm going to be putting that under my eyes. On my brow bone. Down the ridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. So blending that out with my Nail Techniques Beauty Sponge. And I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Asia line. Just a little bit in that area. Blend that out. And now I'm gonna set my concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 20. I'm just going to bake anywhere where I get oily. And I'm going to dust that off with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This is in the shade 4. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula blush in the shade Rose. Just put that on the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm going to be filling in my brows with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5. I actually have no idea how much time I have left. My phone screen turned off. Ah, my brows look ugly. So I'm brushing them out with a spoolie. And then I'm just going to be putting mascara on. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in Blackest Black. Okay, and for my lips, I'm going to be using the, where is it? Can't find my Jeffree Star lip gloss. Okay, I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be using this Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in Cher. We're going over that with this MAC lipstick in the shade Nude. I'm done. I have 3 minutes and 32 seconds left. I'm gonna do some eyeshadow, guys. I'm gonna just take bronzer and like use that as an eyeshadow on a fluffy blending brush. Just put it into my crease. Oh, I forgot to set my crease with powder anyway, like my eye crease. Just blending that. I did my makeup in 7 minutes. I'm so proud of myself. I'm on FaceTime with Ancho, guys. She's like telling me what to do in the back. I'm gonna contour using the same SmashBox palette as well because I didn't do it earlier. Okay, what else can I do? I'll put some gold in my inner corner using a small flathead brush. So I'm putting my inner corners just to bring out just to highlight that area. What else? I'm at 44. I don't know where I put my Jeffree Star lip gloss. I really wanted to use it. What else can I do? Highlighter once. Jeffree Star's highlighter. Using use this brush because I can't find anything else right now. So let me put that on. I think I'm done, guys. And I have 58 seconds to spare. That's a lot. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you're staying at home, staying safe. Have a great whatever you guys are doing, and bye!